How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner and then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, move into Account Center. Now head over to Password and Security. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication and then click on your account. Well, in this page, 3 different security methods will be visible to you. You can click on any one of it. Let me tap on WhatsApp and then click on Next. Now you will receive one verification code on your WhatsApp account. You can see that you have already received it. You need to copy this code and then enter it over here. Once it is done, tap on Next. And there you go, the two-factor authentication has been enabled successfully. Now every time you log into your account, the verification code will be asked to you. And that verification code will be received through your WhatsApp account. You will need to copy that code in order to log into your Instagram account. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can enable the two-factor authentication on Instagram account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.